In this video, I'm going to show you how to find segment ID in Mailchimp. So first, let's head on over to our campaign or audience rather, then click on segments. So after that, it will take us to the segment page, and then you can see our segments over here. If you have multiple segments, for me, I only have 4. So for example, in order for us to find the segment ID, just click on this drop down button, and then it will show us a few selections. Just click on export as CSV, then just wait for it, and then we will find the segment to export, and then click export as CSV, the segment that you want to export, and then after that it will automatically download, and you will find your segment ID over here, which is 2CA7550EBC. And that's about it. That's how to find segment ID in Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.